Hello, everyone. My name is Rick Flynn. I'm looking into this camera and everything is backwards. I move to the right, it moves to the left. I move to the left, it moves to the right. And that's probably a good metaphor for how working with this new technology works for me, because if I had any hair, I'd be pulling it out. I tell you, every video I watched had all these great buttons to push to do hoodle and doodle and whatchamagoodle, and they weren't on my screen. So I had many non-intuitive choices. Ooh, I don't know, kind of like driving a taxi in a new neighborhood with blindfolds on. I don't know. It just drove me nuts. But I think I found it. I don't know how the path is, so how to get back to the many steps, trial and error I took to get to the point where I could actually edit the transcript in a YouTube video. I still don't know how to load them up. So this is kind of new. It's challenging. It's the sort of thing my dear old dad would never have done, because inanimate objects lived in peril in front of his temper. But I'm doing better, you know. This is not like a paperback I can throw against the wall. This is my computer. It costs a lot of money. So I just kind of steam and fume and wander around in circles. And 4 or 5 passes later, I get it. So I'm just trying to bellyache about what it's been like for me, and perhaps indirectly commiserate with somebody else who's banging their head against the wall with this new technology. That said, I'm real excited to be able to do this. I think it'll add something very valuable to my instruction. There are often a lot of times where I wish I could just, go to the screen and talk about it. I can do that with VoiceThread a little bit, but I think YouTube is a little bit more functional than VoiceThread. And actually, I could go to the screen and scroll down a whole document, something you can't do. Scroll through a newspaper article, something you can't do on VoiceThread, because you're only allowed a fixed image, not access to your screen and whatever you do on it. So I like this a lot. I think it's going to be really good. I hope I can figure out how to load this up into YouTube again. If not, I can go back into class and look at it. And I just want to say hi. I hope somebody else is half as frustrated as I am. It'll allow me the higher role of giving comfort rather than just bellyaching about everything. Well, top of the week to you. All right. Or bottom of the week. Friday. That's right. Okay. Bye-bye.